Hello everybody, my first names are Sulma Alejandra. My last names are Saavedra Malaver. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Colombia. My nationality is Colombian. I live in Tunja. I was born in Tunja. My birthday is on July 25. I have brown hair. I have got brown eyes. My face is round, and I like so much and practice cycling. I'm a student at the UPTC. I'm going to talk about my favorite person in my family. She is my niece. Her name is Ariana Lucia. Her last names are Saavedra Malaver. She is 4 years old. Her nationality is Colombian, and she was born in Tunja. Her birthday is July 19th, and she studies at the kindergarten. Her hair is blonde and short. Her eyes are brown. Her face is round. My niece plays with her cat called Mavis, and she plays so much with her toys, especially with her balls, dolls, and little house too. Her favorite color is yellow. Her favorite food is pizza and salad. Her favorite sport is football, and her favorite animal is the cat. Her favorite song is Ride of the 21 Pilots. Her favorite caricatures are Masha and the Bear and the Peppa Pig. Her favorite dress is of tangerine. She lives with her grandma, her little aunt, and her uncle. Her mother lives in another house. Her mother's name is Adriana Jimena. Now I'm going to talk about my nice daily routine. She is Ariana. In the morning, she wakes up at 10 to 7. She gets up at 7 o'clock. My niece brushes her teeth at 5 past 7. She takes a shower at 10 past 7. My niece gets dressed at half past 7. She combs her hair at 35 past 7. She makes the bed at 10 to 8. She has breakfast at 8 o'clock. Nice goes to kindergarten. She starts study at half past 8. She has a snack at half past 9. At the noon, my niece has lunch. She has a nap at 1 to 2 in the afternoon. She finishes study at 4 o'clock. She arrives home at a quarter past 4. She takes off her uniform. She does homework. She plays at 7 o'clock. In the night, she has dinner. She brushes her teeth at 8 o'clock. She washes her face and hands at 5 past 8. She watches TV at 10 and 10 past 8. She goes to bed at a quarter past 8. On the weekends, she helps me prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner. She rides a bike at 8 o'clock. We play in the park. My niece reads at 3 o'clock. Ariana goes to sleep at 9 o'clock.